Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use this very targeter and grow a garden new very update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I just got this very targeter from Making a Wish, and then I'm going to show you how we can use it. If you want to use this very targeter, you need to find a place that you want to put this very targeter on, and you can place it nearby the plants that you want to get the glimmering mutation on. And I'm going to place it here, for example. Okay, and it has a radar guys, and if I'm not mistaken, it has 10 uses. Okay, now I have already placed this very targeter here, and when the very event hasn't come to your garden, you can try to attract the very to your garden. When it says very appear somewhere, you can find the very. Okay, and finally I can find the very here. We can click on interact, and then the very will go to your garden, and the very targeter can attract the very to come to your garden and give your plants a glimmering mutation. And of course, the plant that will get the glimmering mutation is the plant nearby the very targeter. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.